Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be doing an update on this $500 swing trading challenge. A lot of new traders or even new investors think in order to make it or make a ton of money in the stock market, you need to have millions of dollars and you have to be day trading, getting in and out of positions. No. You need a solid strategy. So in today's video, we're going to be showing you guys the strategy, the stock that we swing traded. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, check out our school. We have private live streams. We have lectures. We have a group chat. We have everything you guys need to get started, whether you're a beginner or maybe you've been trading for a long time and you just want more strategies in your pocket. Check it out down below. You guys can use code Halloween for 50% off. We're doing a Halloween sale, so make sure you guys check it out down below and join, and I'll see you guys in there. But guys, let's jump into this here. So this past week here, we did take one trade. It wasn't Tesla. You guys know we did take a Tesla trade with our larger account. Starting out with the small account, one of the reasons I didn't take a trade with Tesla is just because of the earnings. You know, Tesla released the earnings report, and yes, we had a 25% move, but it could have been a 25% move in a bad direction. So when you're starting to grow a small account, really focus on your checklist, focus on your strategy. Don't narrow off it to try to make plays and try to make more money. No, just stick to the approach. For me, in my approach, I love taking profit at 1, 2, 3%. In this case here, we had a return of about 4.8%, which is astonishing. It's a really good move here, which I'm very thankful for. And so this past week here, we're up about $52, and our total account is sitting near around $1,140, which is great. So now, why did we take this trade here? Let's jump into this here. So let's pull up my chart. All right, so we took a trade on TXN here. So first, let's actually look at this. What do we notice? We notice it has this really good trend line. Yeah, a little dip down here, but you guys will notice in general, if we zoom in, right, it hits it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and recently 6 times. So it did have a really good trend line of support. So that's very important. You know, as a trader, you don't just buy random companies, you buy stocks that meet your checklist. That's why having a trading journal, I'll put my trading journal down below, but having a trading journal where you can literally go in and look at, you know, why you're buying the stock, the approach, the mindset. I'll show you guys mine because it's actually right off here. But this is the one that I use. I always leave it on the ground by accident, but this is the one I use, and it's awesome because it really helps you write out your checklist for your entry, your setup, your performance, your mindset, trade breakdown. So check out this. You guys can get it right on Amazon. But why we bought it isn't just purely off of this trend line here. It's also looking at other indicators. You guys will notice here the stock was trading for about a 35 on the RSI, which historically with most stocks, a 35 could be an undervalued point to buy it. You guys will notice here, the last time it was trading for that was back in here where we had this good move. Previous to that was in here where we had this good move. Previous was in here. So we understand that when it's a 35, it could represent a very undervalued point for the stock here. So the next thing here after that is knowing when is the earnings. So looking back here, the earnings was actually a couple of days ago. So we were in the clear. Like I said, I never want to hold through an earnings. It can be a very risky time to trade. You know, I will do it with my larger account just because I do have a little more flexibility because it's a larger account. I can take on a little more risk. But now let's talk about why we entered this position. So you guys will notice here that this stock here was forming just this general downward trend. So we got in on that breakout, that first candle to break above it here. And since it broke above after hours, and we really can't trade after hours, or I don't like to trade, we got in here on that confirmation where it tipped down, got in near and around that 199 area. So now entering here, right, if we entered at that 199, set our stop just below that 90-day moving average line, set our target up at realistic resistance levels, gives a nice risk and reward of about 3.5 to 1. So risking $1 to make $3.56. So, you know, a lot of people think that, like I said, you need $1 million in your account, when in reality, let's see here, you don't. You need good risk management. Let me show you guys this here, this trade calculator, and why I really love understanding risk management. So if we started with $500, imagine we took, you know, 25 trades over the course of a year. We risk about 2%, I would say, on most of our trades. That's 1.4 on that one. But on average, it is about 2%. So we'll put in 2. Risk and reward will go, you know, 4. So risking $1 to make 4, or even 3, right? Even 3, it's not a big deal. Win-loss, 50%, right? When you buy a stock, in most cases, 50-50 chance of making money. So you guys will notice after 25 trades, our total account would be near around $800. So now year 2 rolls around, and now you're $1,400. So this is how compounding your account can really amp up your trades here. So I do think here, if you're just starting out, just focus on those base hits, focus on those 1, 2, 3% returns, and this strategy works very well. You know, make a checklist that works good for you guys. So, you know, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and take care. Don't forget, code Halloween, 50% off. All right, see ya.